Hello everyone, welcome back to MTL Box Breaks. As you can see, it is Sunday, July the 14th, 11:37 a.m. Eastern Time. So it's now time to do break number 193, which is a rookie anthology 2011-12, brand new box as you can see. Serial number NE181161553. Alright, so I wish you guys good luck. Five packs and 5 is 10. Empty box. Alright, so I wish you guys good luck. Base. Base. For the Vancouver Canucks, Calder contenders, Bill Sweet, I guess. Base and base. Pack number 2. This is a thick one. Base. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, John Moore, Rookie Treasures, number 2499. Base, base. Base. Pinnacle rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Mark Borowiecki. Base and base. It's another thick pack. Base. A nice certified rookie autographed for the Detroit Red Wings, Brendan Smith. This card is number 225. Base. 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 Rookie rivalry for the Vancouver Canucks, Cody Hudson, and for the Chicago Blackhawks, Marcus Kruger. So this one will be random. Base and base. Base. Another rookie rivalry. This one is between the Pittsburgh Penguins, Joe Vitale, and Philadelphia Matt Reed. This one will also be random. Base and base. Base. Pinnacle rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Peter Holland. Base. Base. Rookie royalty, Carl Snip for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Base and base. Base. Pinnacle rookie, Corey Trupp for the Buffalo Sabres. Base and base. 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 Pinnacle rookie for the New York Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. Base and base, and the bonus pack. It is for the Toronto Maple Leafs luxury suite, Curtis Joseph. Alright, so let me check this base cards. That is good. Alright, so I will prepare the random now. So we have two. One is Pittsburgh. And Philadelphia. Alright, and the other one, it's Vancouver and Chicago. So Vancouver, and Chicago. Alright, so let's just move this out of the way. Alright, so we'll start with Vancouver and Chicago. As you can see, I wrote 2 times each team. We'll run them 3 times, and the first team on top will take the card. So let's start with 1, 2, and the winner will be Chicago. So you can see the time and that I have run them 3 times. So we'll do the next one. Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. Same thing here. So once, 2 times, and the winner will be Pittsburgh. Alright. So you could see the time and that I have run them 3 times. So the first card goes to Chicago. The other one goes to Pittsburgh. And we also got on this break Curtis Joseph for Toronto Maple Leafs, Calvin DeHaan for the Islanders, Corey Trupp for the Buffalo Sabres. We got Carl Snip for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Peter Holland for the Anaheim Ducks, Brendan Smith for Detroit Red Wings, Mark Borowicki for the Ottawa Senators, John Moore for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and Bill Sweet for the Vancouver Canucks. Alright, so that's it for this break. I hope that you got good hits. And I would like to thank you very much for participating in the breaks. And hope to see you on next breaks.